White-tailed dragon. There's a storm coming! I just feel like Hey Truenate's gonna come up and say, hello! Nimble Manta. Insector Ladybug. Got some insectors in there. Heretic Sail of the Sun Dragon Overlord. Heretic Dragon of Su. Heretic Dragon of Newt. Heretic Dragon of Nibet. Heretic Dragon of Set. Evolve Sword Dewano. Perform Pal Lizard Draw. Raid Raptor Sharp Lanius. Got some Raid Raptor support. Shadol Zephyra Naga. Sorry guys, some of these names are hard to pronounce. Lady of D. That's one to remember. Master of the Flaming Dragon Swords. Drill Barnacle. Shark. Ooh, another damage vaccine Omega Max. That's actually a card. Another card place that I could use. Aqua Jet. Wildfire. Volcanic Recharge. Terrible Deal. Otherworld, the A-Zone. Mass Hypnosis. I'm getting a lot of repeats in here, so I'm not liking that. Hard Selling Zombie. Gravity Crush Dragon. Dweller in the Depths. Crystal Blessing. Ruby Carbuncle. Emerald Tortoise. Welcome back, guys. This is Shining Fireheart.
Sorry, guys. Technical difficulties. Friggin' thing went and tried to go, and I accidentally grabbed the wrong side.
Yeah, there's Crystal Abundance, Flame Blaze Accelerator, A-Cell Breeding Device, Whirlwind Prodigy, Pole Position, Poison Fang, Aena, Hand of Nymphs, Golem Secretary, or not Secretary, Sentry, Flame Ruler, Firebird, Elemental Burst, Elementum, Truske, the Mouse Fighter, Centrifuge Field, Catnip Kitty, Beastal Swap. So we got a few new cards. Alright, let's go ahead and try to open this up. I think my camera's going wonky on me.
Sorry guys, another hard difficulties. I think we're just gonna have to end the video here because everything's going wonky. My tablet is also going wonky for trying to re-upload videos, and so is my camera. Everything's going blank up. Sorry guys, it went black on me. Thank you for watching, and as always guys, rev it up.